Hey guys, this is a small review of the Dragy, which is a GPS based performance meter. I found mine for about 149 bucks off Amazon, but you can get it for pretty much anywhere else for about the same price. I was kind of hesitant at first, but after seeing reviews, I decided to go ahead and give it a try. I mean, why not? So, I can't really complain. It came next day shipping, Amazon. And you see here, the package is pretty small. It's not bulky. I chose this over the V-Box because based on other users, their reviews were that this GPS meter right here was a lot easier to use, easier to set up, and pretty much portable. Less wires to mess around with. So let's give it open up, see what it's like. Okay, it's a pretty small unit. It looks like about the size of a USB thumb drive, slightly bigger than that. Comes with a small micro USB charging cable and a magnetic based backing, which you attach to the top of your desk or anywhere else you need to stick it to. The unit also itself has a strong magnet in the back of itself to where you can stick into a speaker grill on top of your dash or any other kind of metal smooth surface that will allow it to stick to it. But yeah, the unit's pretty small. It's simple to use and quick setup. You might want to throw a quick charge on it before you use it the first time. I prefer about 20 to 30 minutes just to get enough juice just to power it. It has an internal battery. They say it's good for about 8 hours per charge. And I've never really ran out of battery power using it. Alright guys, Dragy, let's give it a test. First in the F-150 and then the GT-R.
Daddy, what's the cul-de-sac?
30. 60.
Alright, let's try the Dragy, see what happens. Launch.